These are my old pool lights here, and these are battery powered. I've had these for a couple years now. They work good, but I'm tired of having to change the batteries in them. Huge shout out to LyMe for sending me these LED swim pool lights. These are hardwired, but I promise you it's super simple. I've already looked everything over. This will fit pretty much any pool, whether it's a blow-up pool or concrete in-ground pool or just a metal-sided pool. The pool that we're installing it on is a metal-sided pool, so I won't be using these discs. These are basically for your softer pools or your in-ground pools. And it doesn't really matter whether it's porous or uneven, this will still stick to it. The glue that comes with it is super heavy duty and it gets activated by water, so you have to use it in the water, and these will stick in the water. You don't have to drain anything or anything like that. You basically just put the glue on, you hold it there for about a minute, and then you let it dry for an hour. First thing we're gonna see here is we have this cover here, which kind of looks like a fish. So that's pretty neat. The kids will love that. Next thing we see is the actual light, and there's another cover on this one. This one's a turtle, so you have a couple different ones to choose from. And then here's the other fish cover, and then here's the other light. So I got two different lights, and you can put one of each cover on, or you can keep them the same if you want. And then here is your wiring. The cord length on this is gonna be 32.5 feet. So that should be plenty to reach from one side of the pool all the way over to your plug, wherever that's at. And then it also has a transformer built in. The lights themselves are IP68 certified, so they can be submerged in water easily. And then the transformer is actually IP67. So this is gonna be okay to keep it out in the weather and everything. It does come with a remote control here, and you can use this to change it all different colors. It has over 16 million colors. So you can change this to pretty much any color that you want. And then it also has dimming capabilities. And then it also comes with an app, and I'll show you that here in a little bit. But first, let's go ahead and get it installed. First thing I'm doing is I'm stretching one of these out to see how much cord I have. And then I'm basically gonna bring it around here, and I'm gonna go kind of as far as I can go. Maybe I'll just drop it in here in the middle. The magnets will basically just suck it onto the wall because this is a metal wall. So if I just put this here, it just suctions itself right to the wall there. So now that I have that one in, I'm gonna come over here and do the same thing with this side, but I'm only gonna let out as much cord as I need, and then I'll tie the rest back up. I'm just gonna set this one right in here and stick it to the wall, just like the other one. So I want to keep the cord kind of tight. If you can see down here, we have the cords pretty tight. So we'll plug that in. It's going to be the Lotus Lamp X app. I'll go ahead and get that installed. And it automatically sees it. So I'll go ahead and link to it. And then as you can see here, it gives you a scroll wheel with all the different colors. This is much brighter than I expected. And as you can see here on the app, I can literally change it to whatever color I want, and I can do that on the fly, and it just automatically changes. So these are really nice lights, definitely worth the money. I really like the plug-in aspect of it because they are a little bit brighter and they'll sustain that brightness for longer. Let's say I do this 3-color jumping change. I can adjust the speed, it's at 100% right now.